Our planet, a world of unimaginable antiquity. Long before a single human footstep marked its surface, it was a realm of titans and cataclysms, a world forged in fire and sculpted by time. Vast oceans, teeming with mysteries, stretched from pole to pole. Beneath the waves, life began its silent, patient journey. But on the surface, the land was a violent canvas. Volcanoes, Earth's fiery heart, tore through the crust. They spewed rivers of molten rock and choked the skies with ash, shaping continents yet to be named. This was a planet in constant, dramatic creation, a primordial stage awaiting its actors. The air itself was different, a strange and alien mixture. Slowly, life conquered the land. First came the humble green carpets of moss, then vast, sprawling jungles unlike any we know today. Giant ferns reached for a sun younger and hotter than our own. And in this world of giants, the dinosaurs emerged. For over 150 million years, they were the undisputed masters of this planet. From the colossal, plant-eating titans that shook the ground with every step, to the fearsome predators that hunted in their shadow, this was their kingdom. In the air, pterosaurs with leathery wings soared through volcanic haze. In the deep, marine reptiles, sleek and powerful, ruled the ancient seas. It was an age of biological extravagance, a grand experiment of evolution. But Earth is a planet of cycles. Its story is not one of continuous growth, but of dramatic rise and devastating fall. Forests that had stood for millennia were swallowed by advancing ice sheets during brutal ice ages. The globe froze and thawed, a rhythm of cold and warmth that tested life to its absolute limit. And then came the great extinctions, cataclysmic events, silent and swift, that wiped the slate clean. Asteroid impacts and massive volcanic eruptions plunged the world into darkness, ending the long reign of the dinosaurs and countless other species. Each extinction was a profound tragedy, a library of life burned to the ground. Yet from the ashes, new forms of life always emerged, resilient and adaptable. The age of mammals had begun. From the ruins of the past, a new world took shape. The continents drifted into the familiar forms we see today. Mountains were thrust towards the sky, and great rivers carved their paths to the sea. New forests rose, filled with creatures that were the ancestors of those we now know. Saber-toothed cats, woolly mammoths, and giant ground sloths roamed the land. It was a world still wild, still untamed, but one that was becoming recognizable, a world quietly preparing for its next, and perhaps most transformative, chapter. The stage was finally set for the arrival of a new kind of creature, one that would not just live on the earth but would change it forever.